y'all, this is a first impressions, okay? I hope this dryer doesn't break my hair off or ruin my hair or nothing crazy, because the real test is when I wash my hair and watch it revert and hope I don't have no heat damage. Hey Wonderfros, welcome back to my channel. My name is eVani, and today I'm going to be reviewing a very bougie, luxury, way over the top, but something I've always wanted type product, okay? It's a hair tool, and obviously by the title you guys already know what it is. It is the Dyson hair dryer, and I'm gonna do like a slight unboxing. I mean, kind of. We'll see how this goes in my bathroom, but before I jump into it, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me, and thumbs up if you like this type of content. And without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm gonna put this plastic cap on so that my hair doesn't dry out, but I did just rinse out my deep conditioner from deep conditioning overnight. I used the Camille Rose coconut water hair treatment, whatever it is. I'll link the video above if you want to see the Camille coconut water line review, because love those products, super moisturizing. So I'm gonna tell you, I have a little bit of a testimony service, okay, because I had gone on Dyson.com to order this hair dryer, and when I looked for the items of what you get when you order the dryer, I saw that it comes with a red presentation case, and I am not the biggest fan of red, so I'm like, okay, can I switch the red one out for a blue one? And I hopped on their AIM, like their IM chat or whatever, on the website, and the girl that I ended up getting, the customer service agent on the other end, was a subscriber. I'm like, hey, can I switch out the cases, yada yada. Also, do you guys work with influencers? I'm this person, here's my YouTube, like, what's good, Dyson? And she was like, what? Like, oh, I know who you are, and I like watch your videos and stuff, and I was like, oh, like, I was so hyped. I'm like, are you serious? Like, this is so crazy. Like, you literally never know who you're gonna meet, ever, anywhere, ever. And it's just so awesome. Shout out to you, girl. I don't know if I want to use your name because I don't want to get you in trouble. But if you watch this video, comment down below and, you know, I'll shout you out, girl. But she hooked me up, okay? Hooked me up because Dyson has a new comb attachment for textured hair, highly textured hair, that they are offering on their website now, and I wanted to try this out along with actually purchasing the hair dryer itself and then getting the carrying case. And online she was like, oh, I can offer you one free product today, and I was getting 3 products, and she was like, okay, well, I was like, let me just do the carrying case, let me get the blue carrying case and not the comb attachment. If I like the hair dryer and I keep it and all of that, then I'm gonna go back and order this. And she was like, actually, I can give you 2 free items. I'm gonna try and get you 2 free items. And I was like, what? Sis was hooking me up. So I got the blue carrying case. I don't know if you guys, can you see this whole thing? Luxury. I got this, okay, and those were the 2 free items. And then I actually have the Dyson Supersonic itself, the hair dryer, and y'all know I am so extra, but blue is also my favorite color. So this packaging, this like indigo royal blue situation, I'm loving this, but the actual hair dryer itself is also like this color. So let me just unbox everything. So I have taken the hair dryer out prior to this video, and this is the carrying case, the red one that I was talking about that I didn't really want. And y'all, oh my gosh, okay, what, do you see this hair dryer? This thing is fire. This is their 24 karat gold, or like, I don't know, it's some description that they have on there. But as soon as I saw this color and as soon as I saw the gold, I'm like, oh, like, I need this, I need this, I need this. Anyway, it comes with 2 concentration nozzles. These things, this one is wider, this one is a little bit skinnier, make it more concentrated, and they are magnetic, so they just kind of snap right in there. It also comes with this little heated mat, I guess you could say, to put the hair dryer on in case you need it. Also comes with all the paperwork, the warranty, all of that good stuff. And in the smaller blue box, okay, it comes with this diffuser. One of the reasons I wanted to get a really overly bougie, expensive hair dryer is because I think based off of how the heat is concentrated, whether it's ionic and all this other stuff, I was doing a lot of research about hair dryers and how your hair comes out and if it makes a difference. Like, could I just get like a $25 one? And y'all know I've been using my Conair hair dryer for years. So like, does it make a difference? So that's what I'm gonna do today. But I'm also gonna be trying out the new attachment because I haven't used an attachment with my hair in a very long time, like since I was relaxed. So that is what this looks like. We'll see if this makes a difference. You guys know Redken Anti-Snap is my favorite heat protectant that I could use on my hair. I'm just going to apply that section by section and get started. So I had the fan turned all the way up. They have the little dots here that go up to three dots on each side. And I had it on medium heat, so it's on like the middle one. And now, this one's not blue, but I'm gonna go in and go through with the comb attachment. Okay, so my hair is not staying detangled at the bottom. And I don't know if that's me or if it's the attachment. It seems to be getting through the rest of my hair pretty good. So this is my hair. This is the one section. And honestly, you guys, I mean, I think this was very fast. It got my hair straighter than the Revere. But I don't think my ends are like super straight. See, they're just not, my ends are not staying detangled for whatever reason. Okay, well, on to the next section. This is what the first section is looking like. Can you guys see? First section. So this is my hair after, this is one half of my hair done after using the Dyson. Hope you guys can see everything. It is so hot in here right now. I am burning up. Y'all, I think I completely forgot in like the 5, 6, probably like 7 years of me not using a comb attachment. I completely forgot how much work this takes and how long this takes. And now that my hair is natural, it's probably even more than back when I was relaxed. I forgot, y'all. It slipped my remembrance. And I am so like, I forgot, y'all. I forgot. Anyway, this is my hair. This is what one half of my head is looking like. I'm gonna keep going and do the other half of my head off camera, and I'll be back to share my final thoughts at the end. Hey guys, so I'm done blow drying my hair, and I lied to y'all also. Not trying to lie to y'all, but I decided to do this half of my hair with my Revere and this half with the Dyson just to compare, because I knew I wasn't tripping. Like, I lightweight felt like I was tripping. I was like, why does my hair feel like a certain way? I wasn't feeling it. Anyway, this is the Revere side and this is the Dyson side, and I don't know if it's coming through on camera, but this side is visibly drier. Like the Dyson side is visibly drier. And this side just feels more moisturized and feels better. So I guess I'm like lightweight comparing to $400 hair dryers, but not really, because they're not the same concept, right? I would have to compare the Dyson to like my Conair, a regular hair dryer. But y'all, I didn't have a comb attachment for a regular hair dryer because that thing broke like 3, 4, 5 years ago, like however long ago, and I just never got another one because anytime I would get another one, the teeth would break off, like 2 or 3 teeth would break off. Anyway, on to the pros and cons about this Dyson, but also specifically about this attachment and whether or not I think this is good for textured hair, because the dryer is awesome, okay? This thing is dope, but I don't think this attachment was good for my hair. I don't think this got the job done, because you can see this is how the teeth are set up. They're like little mini triangles, and there aren't that many of them. I think this is good for maybe like stretching your hair if you wanted to do it, stretch your hair on like a cool shot, but it does not really straighten your roots, nor does it straighten the ends of your hair. I feel like the blowout I have on this side is the same as this side. So with regards to the new attachment, I don't think it's that beneficial. Maybe they could come out with one that has more teeth, but this is a sturdy attachment, y'all. I didn't feel like these were gonna snap off. I didn't feel like they were gonna break like I do with regular comb attachments. And I mean, it still worked, it just didn't work as well as I thought it should have, and you know, it is what it is. A con in the blow dryer department, this gets your hair dry, and it gets it dry fast, but it leaves your hair dry. And I think because I've been so used to using my Revere that I'm used to my hair feeling moisturized after a blow dry. And I know that's very unrealistic for most blow dryers. Like even if I were to go get my Conair, like most of the time your hair will feel dry. It won't just be dry, it'll feel dry. And like I said, in comparison to this side, this half of my hair feels moisturized. It feels strong. It just feels better than this side. But I'm putting it as a con because obviously there are alternatives out there. If you go and spend the money, sis, there are alternatives out there to get this type of look without getting the moisture evaporated and gone out of your hair. So on to the pros. One I had mentioned already is that for this attachment, I feel like the teeth are not gonna break. If you have a looser curl pattern than mine, if you have a straighter hair texture, then this might work for you and get your hair as straight as you want it with a blow dryer. But I did not feel like these were gonna snap off or break on me, so it is a sturdy attachment. I also like the fact that it swivels. So because these are magnetic and they kind of just click in there, the whole thing swivels, and that's dope, okay? Because you guys know if the attachment stays in one position, you can snag hairs and that will just lead to breakage. So heat and breakage. So come on now, pick a struggle. We don't need both, okay? And because this swivels around, I think that helped reduce the amount of breakage I had. This is how much hair I lost on the Dyson side of my head, which I would say is about normal. This is how much hair I lost on the Revere side. So they're about the same if you ask me. Let me switch them. They're about the same. With the Revere, the hair did not come out in the dryer. It just came out when I was brushing my hair out with my Tangle Teaser here. Okay. Now, with regards to my hair being drier or feeling drier on the Dyson side, I told you guys in several videos of mine, whenever I stretch my hair with my Revere, I feel like because the moisture is still in my hair, it can shrink up. So the length that you're seeing now, like it won't stay this length. I actually feel like since I blow dried it like T-minus 5 seconds ago, it has shrunk up some. Because this is dry, like dry all the way throughout, I don't feel like this is gonna shrink up on me. So that's a plus. I mean, I would say it's a pro. Now, in the beginning, I was using the concentration nozzle and then I was putting on this attachment. I just went ahead and started doing it holistically, like my hair all over with this attachment, because I felt like the concentration nozzle, like trying to do both was kind of messing me up. But it was very easy to interchange the attachments, and for that reason also, the dryer is very easy to use and compact. So this, I mean, this by itself is probably the smallest dryer I own. So if I wanted to travel with this, if I wanted to take this with me anywhere, I think this would be relatively easy to travel with. Outside of the fact that it's gorgeous, like it just looks really, really pretty, I think it's very portable, and that's always great because, I mean, who doesn't need to do their hair on the fly sometimes? So I do really like this dryer, y'all. Like, I really, really like it. I don't know if I would use this attachment again, and maybe I just need to play around with it before I come back on and try and use it. But once again, I'm also not used to blow dry. I am not used to doing that. I'm also not gonna beat a dead horse. Obviously, you guys, this is a $400 hair dryer. So I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh, you need it, you need it. Y'all already know I'm not about that life. I by no means think this is a necessity, and I don't think you need to go run out and spend this amount of money if you don't have it, okay? We just gonna keep it all the way 100. So this is how my hair turned out. The Rivera compared to the Dyson is not like a true comparison, not in my head anyway. It's just two different concepts, so you know, you can't compare apples and oranges. That is my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think, okay? Would you go out and spend the money on something like this? Do you think it's worth it? Yay, nay? If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And again, shout out to oh girl at Dyson. You know who you are, okay? Comment on this video. You know who you are. You hooked me up. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, okay? Wonderfro Gang, we everywhere. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.